Here's how you can use Google Sheets to publish directly to Instagram. I come to extensions, go to Sheets to Social, go to the publishing doc, and that's it. The sheet is ready. I have a bunch of image URLs here. You can see an image link. You can see a Google Drive image link. Same here. You can see a bunch of images hosted on websites which are outside Imager, outside Google Drive. The account IDs are set up automatically. I want to publish the first post as a story, so it's going to be a series of images that goes out as a story, and the rest as regular image posts. And of course, I can have like more text show up here as well. And let's give it a shot. All you need to do is click the schedule post button here. Scheduling is ongoing. It takes a couple of minutes. There you go. I have published all the posts. One post failed for some reason, but the rest of the posts are published. And as you can see, all the Instagram URLs to the posts have been populated as well. So I've got a bunch of posts published, including multiple image posts, as well as multiple stories that you can see here. Hope you like this, and if you do, you can join the waitlist to get access to Sheets to Social. It's in the comments.